I chose to do Walmart for my motivation and leadership project. So one way Walmart can improve their quality of service is by using McGregor's Theory Y style of management. Theory Y relies on the individual workers and the perceived reward for their work. The opportunity for more freedom and to make your own decisions is a big perceived reward. So by adopting Theory Y, quality control will go up because the workers won't have to go to a higher up to figure out a solution for the customer. Improving employee collaboration. In order to improve service at the Walmart, they should adopt a participative/democratic leadership approach. Letting workers have input in decisions involves them in the bigger scheme of things. This allows for each individual branch flexibility and keeps employees involved. Employees will learn how to better help customers and create their own objectives so they become intrinsically motivated to hit their goals. Fostering decision-making skills. Walmart could easily foster decision-making skills by inserting the rational decision-making model into the basic training. The 6 Ds of decision-making are as follows: defining the situation, describe and collect needed information, develop alternatives, decide which alternative is best, and then do what is indicated and determine whether the decision was a good decision. By teaching everyone how to make rational decisions during training, everyone will be better equipped to have more freedom and leeway as they work. By teaching everyone how to make decisions, everyone, including the company and the employees, both benefit. Developing and maintaining a successful workforce in a global environment. Walmart could use Herzberg's motivational factors, and they could easily develop one of the biggest and most successful workforces. By making the job interesting, helping employees recognize each employee's achievements individually, allowing the employees to know when they have done well and rewarding them for it maintains retention because they feel they're valued within the company. And by feeling valued, they are more willing to work for the company and be treated as an asset to the company instead of looked down upon because of their position. Fostering leadership. Walmart could foster leadership by allowing employees free reign. By allowing free reign, Walmart will allow employees to decide how to go about their respective jobs. By giving people freedom, the employees separate themselves into leaders and followers, and Walmart won't have to do too much work at finding leaders because the leaders will develop as the free reign happens and they are given the freedom to do what they think is best. Fostering adherence to organizational values. Walmart could use Ouchie's Theory Z because it has both informal control and explicit control, much like parents do with expectations, and on the other hand, have strict rules as well. Most importantly, Theory Z implements a holistic concern for employees and their families, meaning they care for their employees and their well-being along with their families, not just them. By creating an environment for care and concern throughout the business, the employees will begin to adopt the same care, and this coincides with the equity theory. The employees and business itself expect to get the same as they put in.